Hi, this is Jennifer Lutz for Insider Travel Report here in Montenegro Bay with Nikola Peric.
Very good pronunciation, very good. Like you're born, let's say, Montenegrin.
I am about to become Montenegrin. I love
I'm
it
sure
so
you
much.
will. I'm sure you will.
So we're here. Nikola is with Forza Group, a very impressive group of. You'll tell us. Let's begin with the hotel collection.
So first of all, thank you to coming. Thank you for coming in this small, let's say, country of ours, especially in this time. We know it's not a summer season, but let's say for the next season, we as a groupation are for now having 4 plus 2 outlets.
4 plus 2 hotels.
Yes, like 4 outlets plus
Okay.
2 hotels.
Okay.
We are pretty much based, let's say, at the seaside of Montenegro in the 3 cities. The first one is Tivat, so we are now in the city of Tivat in the restaurant Forza Porto in the.
So take it one by one for me. So you have the hotels, you have the restaurants, you have the outlets. So what is available in Tivat, and why would an American tourist want to come to Tivat?
So Tivat in the last 15 years, it has been started to grow up very much because of the new, let's say, port of Montenegro. This is the, let's say, number one bay in the whole Adriatic Sea.
Okay.
So during the summer, we are having in the last 2-3 years, the number of the people coming from USA, UK has been rising, especially because of some, let's say, direct flights that people are coming to Croatia visit, and afterwards they're coming to Montenegro.
Perfect. And this is very important because I actually learned it after I came. It's quite simple. You can fly to Dubrovnik, and then it's about 1 hour drive to Montenegro.
1 hour
Yes.
drive. I hopefully no traffic. Depends on let's say hour of day, but 1 hour 15 minute stops get you to this wonderful port of Montenegro.
And so Montenegro, well, it's in Tivat, and yes, today it's a bit rainy, but what are the activities people can enjoy here?
So if let's say now it's not November, if let's say
Take me till April, May,
So-
spring.
so 1st of May, you're here with your 2 friends.
2 friends.
Yes.
Very
so-
popular.
Usually, let's say like people that come here, they usually, let's say 80% of the groups here from USA, they come with some friends. 20%.
So it's a
comes
girls'
with
trip.
family. It's a girls or boys, or I don't know. Like.
Is it because the
a
men are
couple
very handsome
therapy
here?
trip.
Is it
So
not the couples therapy for me?
anyways, you get up around 8 or 9.
Outside, do I go
first of-
sailing? Tell me about the boats.
So, first of all, you get up in our hotel Forza Terra, that's based in the Kotor, in the small county of Kotor. It's called Dobrota. So this day you can go out. There are like planned tours.
Okay.
Because in the middle of Kotor Bay there are 2 islands. One is Saint George. The other one is Gospod Škrpjala, the Lady of Rocks. Let's say like a literal translation. Over there you have like 2 to 3 hours tour where you can go check the churches over there. Afterwards you can go to the Blue Cave. It's like number one tourist attraction after the cable car.
And the cable car, that is part of Forza Group as well,
So,
yes?
the restaurant at the top of the cable car is the let's say part of group. The cable car has opened 2 years ago.
Okay.
At the top of the cable car, we are having let's say like a 2-placed restaurant for that can fit around 650 people. Can fit at the same time.
And here it's very important. You do special events and concerts as well, yes?
So let's say number one place for the concerts and for the special events is Forza KUK, because over there, during the summer, we're having like sunset parties, DJs, live events. People are, let's say, like hosting. So over there is a place where you can go grab a 2-3 drinks, cocktail, enjoying the sunset, enjoy the beautiful, let's say, like a panoramic view of the. You can see 1/3 of the seaside of Montenegro from up at the cable car, and it's not that high up. It's like 4,000 feet. So, anyways, it's.
Thank you for speaking in feet. Very
Please.
kind of you.
So, anyways, from here, from the Tivat, it's like a 10 minutes drive. For any of you that's gonna be coming here, my warm recommendation: buy the tickets online
Okay.
for the cable car, because there is like a lot of people that are, let's say, like standing in rows just to buy a ticket, and afterwards standing in row to go to cable car and everything else. But all around the trip from here, from our restaurant here to the restaurant top, is around 30 minutes. So you're literally going from the seaside to the mountain climate in 30 minutes.
Amazing. And this is, I want to really touch on this. It's something very special about Montenegro. You're a very ecological country, yes?
Yes. So this year, the first time in Montenegro, we had the ocean race.
What is Ocean Race for us?
Ocean race for us this year was something first time in the whole this area. It was we had the finale of seven boats, eco-friendly boats, just powered by like sailing by wind. So this was happening for 5 to 7 days, and we had like a lot of people from all around the world coming here. So this was something special this year. But anyways, in our restaurants, we here hosted presidents, prince, let's say number one people of every let's say country. I think they crossed our paths here in one of our outlets.
And now inside a travel report as well.
Inside the travel report, yes.
So wonderful. So we go through this. I wake up in a Forza hotel, and these are luxury properties.
Yes, the Forza hotels. For now, we're having two Forza hotels. One is called Forza Mare. The other one is called Forza Terra. The one from another, they're like 1 mile away. Let's say distance-wise. The both are first 5-star boutique hotels. That in that time, like let's say like 7 to 10 years ago, that was very important for Montenegro, because tourism just started to let's say to spread.
Okay.
After you waking up, I would go to the tour.
Okay.
Afterwards, I would go to have a lunch in our wonderful restaurants where we are now.
This restaurant, I've just had an appetizer. It's very nice.
As you can see, we here and in every other restaurant, we are trying to not go with outsourced food or any condiments. 95% of the food here that has been used in here and in every other restaurant, we usually made handmade. It's organic. 5% that has been outsourced we usually take from the local farmers, because from now on we are literally trying to improve our local farming systems. We want to stay healthy. We know what's happening for now in the world, but for a country as small as ours, we try to stay local. Afterwards, I would go here. We have like a daily catch of fresh fish, as a sea bass, sea bream, turbot, lobsters. After the lunch, I would go for a walk in the wonderful port of Montenegro.
Okay.
Afterwards, I would go to the cable car.
Okay.
Go like for a sunset party. After that, I would go straight to the Kotor Old Town.
Okay.
Finish it. Let's say like wrap it all up with
Okay.
with one dessert. The Forza Groupation started with a pastry.
Really?
Yes, so we're having one of the oldest pastries in the Kotor Old Town. We literally call it Forza pastry. So in the old town, in literally the heart of old town, there is a pastry shop that has, like grandma's old recipes. So afterwards, I would finish that in the walk in the old town. Also, there are like beautiful bars with acoustic music.
So where do we go to party?
So the Kotor has a few spots. But if you want to go to real party, not far away from here, 30 to 35 minutes from here, there is like a city called Budva.
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 Okay.
Budva is number one city if you want to go as let's say like to go party, to go explore the nightlife of Montenegro. But for let's say like a restaurant business and to explore the true beauty of Montenegro, you should stay in the bay.
Okay, so
That's right. Stay in the bay.
stay in the bay if you want to behave, is what he's saying. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
And once again, I'm Jennifer Lutz with Inside a Travel Report here in Montenegro Bay with Nicola of Forza Group. And have a lovely day.